Good morning to you all. My name is Pimong Chen from Tech Private Limited. Today I will share you about GAS technology, which is based on JavaScript. GAS technology is an application development platform that makes the developer tasks easy to work. It is like a workspace for all the JavaScript developer. GAS technology it helps the developer to develop a web apps, interact with Google services, add custom menu, dialogues, pop-up, and events, and so on. This is how the Google Apps script interface look like. And right now I'm creating new one. So if you want to rename your project name, you have to click on this. I will change my project name as my project. So I will now, here you can see that my project name has been changed. If you want to create a file, you have to click on the file plus option and you will see the Google Apps script uh, provides these features. So if you click on HTML file, and you can also rename the HTML file. I have renamed as index.html. If you want to remove or delete the file, you can directly click on this and you will see the option of delete. Click on the delete option and delete the file. Here the file has been deleted successfully. This platform it accepts the JavaScript codes. So I will show you with one example, JavaScript example, to create a hello world. Here what we have to do is we have to create the function. It is mandatory to create a function in this app script. So first I will call a function my first as my first. Here now I've created a function. So as you know, when we do in Visual Studio Code, Sublime, or any other platform, we have to call the function at the end of the script. But in this app script, we don't have to call the function. Here I will save the file, and as you can see, this is where the file has been called back. So we don't have to call the function. Now I will log it to the console. This hello will be printed. I will save, and after getting done with all the codes and you want to run, you will see the run option on the top of the bar. You have to click the run button, and here my code has been successfully executed. And if I talk about the services it provides libraries or a dependency for the web app development. For an example, I will click on the services, and if you want to get packages from the YouTube, here are three options: YouTube Analytical API, YouTube Data API version 3, YouTube Partners. So if you click here, you will get its documentation with all the required codes. So this is, I'm just showing you the example how it works. So if you are done with all the codes and setups, and finally you want to deploy your code, deploy your app, so you will see the deploy at the top bar. Click on the deploy and new deployment, and there will be certain conditions you have to fill up. And after deployment, if you want to change, in case if you want to edit your code again, you have to click on deploy and you have to click on manage deployment. The test deployment means in order to test your code whether it works as per your design or not. And if you This is not only the way to create a project in apps. In this this is not only way to create a project. There are several ways to create a project same like this. We can create the project from Google Drive. I'll show you the example.
Hello.
Here we got in the Google Drive and click on the new button. You will see more at the last of the options and click the Google Apps script.
뭐? Maka? Turun.
Here, this is the same code as we did in the early. And yeah, that's all for the introduction part. And thank you.
한좀